Okay, here's our second Cobra 148 GTL with an RFX-75, also for Kieth in Australia. You get two of these. Right up here's a tune-up report, Kieth. There's your 15-watt carrier. Over here on the peak reading watt meter.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. That's right. Break it, break, break, break. Audio check, check.
Put it on sideband.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check.
Alright. Let's put this one on the air.
How about it, Channel 19's my radio working today? Come on. Son of a bitch, my Jeep broken. I can't get me a radio check. Come out. I appreciate it, driver.